Transferring USD from SafePal to Binance is a straightforward process, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure everything goes smoothly. In this guide, we'll walk you through the entire process, making it easy to manage your crypto assets. Let's get started. Understanding the basics before we dive into the transfer process, let's take a moment to understand what USD is and why you might want to transfer it. Tether USD is a stablecoin that is pegged to the US dollar, making it a popular choice for traders looking to avoid volatility. Binance is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges, allowing you to trade a variety of crypto assets. Transferring USD from your SafePal wallet to Binance can help you leverage trading opportunities or convert your USD into other cryptocurrencies. Step 1. Preparing your SafePal wallet. First things first, open your SafePal app. Make sure you have your SafePal wallet set up and that you've already received USD in your wallet. If you haven't done that yet, you can purchase USD through the app or transfer it from another wallet, verifying your balance. Once you're in the app, check your balance to ensure you have enough USD to transfer. It's always a good idea to leave a small amount in your wallet to cover transaction fees. Step 2. Getting your Binance USD deposit address. Next, let's head over to Binance to get your deposit address. Open the Binance app or website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one first. Finding the deposit section. Once you're logged in, look for the wallet section. Click on Fiat and Spot to view your available balances. Here, you'll find a list of all the cryptocurrencies available on Binance. Selecting USD, scroll down or use the search bar to find USD. Once you locate it, click on Deposit next to the USD listing. Choosing the correct network. Now, you'll need to select the correct network for the transfer. Since you're transferring USD, make sure to choose the correct network that both SafePal and Binance support, usually ERC20 or TRC20. Ensure that you choose the same network in both your SafePal wallet and Binance to avoid any loss of funds. Copying your deposit address. VoiceOver. Once you've selected the network, Binance will display your USD deposit address. Click on Copy to save this address for the next step. Always double-check that you've copied the entire address accurately. This is crucial for a successful transfer. Step 3. Initiating the transfer from SafePal. Now it's time to initiate the transfer from your SafePal wallet. Return to the SafePal app and look for the Send option. Selecting USD, choose USD from your list of cryptocurrencies. This will bring you to the transfer screen. Pasting the deposit address in the recipient address field. Paste the deposit address you copied from Binance. Double-check to ensure it's correct. One wrong digit can lead to funds being sent to the wrong address. Entering the amount. Next, enter the amount of USD you want to transfer. Remember to leave a little for transaction fees, which can vary based on the network you're using. Reviewing the transaction before you finalize the transfer. Review all the details carefully. Confirm that the recipient address and amount are correct. Once you're sure everything looks good, proceed to the next step. Step 4. Confirming the transfer. After you've confirmed the details, you'll need to authorize the transaction. This may involve entering your wallet password or using biometric authentication, depending on your app settings. Waiting for confirmation. Once you authorize the transfer, it will be submitted to the blockchain. The time it takes for the transaction to complete can vary based on network congestion. Typically, transfers on ERC20 can take a few minutes, while TRC20 transactions are usually faster. Step 5. Checking your Binance account. While you wait for the transaction to confirm, you can keep an eye on your Binance account. Go back to the wallet section and check your USD balance. Refreshing the page. Sometimes it helps to refresh the page or log out and back in to see your updated balance. If everything went smoothly, you should see your transferred USD reflected in your Binance wallet. Step 6. Troubleshooting common issues. If you don't see your USD in Binance after a reasonable amount of time, don't panic. Here are a few common issues and how to resolve them. Transaction not showing. First, check the transaction history in your SafePal wallet. If it shows as pending, you may just need to wait a little longer. If it shows as completed, but you don't see it in Binance, double-check that you used the correct deposit address. Incorrect network selection. VoiceOver. If you accidentally selected the wrong network, your funds may be stuck. In this case, you might need to contact Binance support for assistance. Always ensure you select the right network for future transfers. Conclusion. And there you have it. Transferring USD from SafePal to Binance is a simple process when you follow these steps. By ensuring you have the correct deposit address and network selected, you can smoothly manage your crypto assets. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy trading and enjoy your crypto journey.